Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify AWS EC2 instance status checks, complete guide step by step clearly. To verify AWS EC2 instance status checks, start by logging into navigate to the EC2 dashboard from the Services menu. In the left sidebar, select Instances to view all your EC2 instances. Locate the instance you want to check in the list. Take note of the instance state column, which should indicate whether your instance is running. Next, find the Status Checks column next to the instance. You will see two status check results: System Status Checks and Instance Status Checks. System Status Checks verify the underlying hardware, network, and connectivity of the instance. Instance Status Checks assess whether your operating system is functioning properly. If both status checks show a green check mark, your instance is healthy. If you see a yellow warning symbol, it indicates a failure in one of the checks. For more details, select your instance and navigate to the Description tab. Scroll down to the Status Checks section to see a detailed report. If a check has failed, further investigation is needed. You can view possible causes and recommended actions by clicking on the Get Help link. If you need to restart the instance, ensure you have proper backups before doing so. You can initiate a restart by selecting the instance and clicking on the Actions drop-down menu. Choose Instance State and then select Reboot. After rebooting, monitor the status checks again. If issues persist, consider reviewing system logs or checking security group settings. Once the instance passes both status checks, you can proceed with your applications. Always monitor EC2 instance health regularly to ensure optimal performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.